Hello. Today is 31st December 2024, the last day of the year. This day is the time to sum up the experiences of the whole year and make plans for the coming new year. On this special day, we have brought detailed predictions for every zodiac sign for you. Let's know how this day will be for your zodiac sign, Aries. Today will be a day full of enthusiasm. Your hard work and dedication will be rewarded in the workplace. Long-standing obstacles will be removed. You will get a chance to spend time with family. The financial situation will be strong and there are chances of sudden monetary gains. The day is favorable for students. There are chances of travel, but be careful. Health will be good, but keep moderation in eating and drinking. Taurus, this day will be mixed for you. There may be some obstacles in work, but problems will be solved with your wisdom. You may meet an old friend, which will prove beneficial for you. Be cautious in financial matters. Maintain coordination with family members. You may get a chance to participate in a religious or social event. Gemini, today will bring success for you. Your leadership skills will be appreciated in the workplace. Employed people can get promotion or new responsibility. There are signs of profit in business as well. This day is good for students. Maintain understanding and patience in relationships. Do not be careless about health, especially avoid cold and cough. Cancer, today can be a little emotional for you. There may be arguments with family members on small matters, but try to find a solution wisely. Financial condition will be normal. The day is good for long-term investment. Be cautious about health, especially avoid mental stress. Take the help of meditation and yoga. Leo, today will be full of confidence and enthusiasm for you. You can implement new plans in the workplace. Your leadership skills will impress people. You will get a chance to spend time with family. The day will be beneficial from financial point of view. You can plan to go out with friends. Health will be good, but include exercise in your daily routine. Virgo, this day will bring mixed results for you. You may face challenges in the workplace, but you will solve them with your skills. Spending time with family will keep you happy. Students need to pay more attention to their studies. Be cautious in financial matters. Be aware of health and get regular checkups done. Libra, today will be an auspicious day for you. Your hard work in the workplace will pay off and there are chances of promotion. Businessmen can get new deals. Relationships with family members will strengthen. You will get an opportunity to participate in a social event. Health will be good, but meditate for mental peace. Scorpio, today will be a great day for you. You will showcase your talent in the workplace and receive praise. The financial situation will be strong and you will be successful in repaying old debts. You will get a chance to spend time with family. A trip to a religious place can be planned. Health will be good, but be restrained in eating and drinking. Sagittarius, the last day of the year will bring happiness for you. You will get success in work and get new opportunities. You will get a chance to spend time with family. You will get the support of your spouse and sweetness will come in relationships. There are signs of financial gain. It will be a healthy day, but protect yourself from the cold. Capricorn, this day will be positive for you. Your hard work and dedication will be rewarded in the workplace. You will make new plans for the new year. The financial situation will improve. Spending time with family members will give you mental peace. Take care of your health and exercise regularly. Aquarius, spend this day with a little caution. You will have to work hard in the workplace, but the results will be good. Take a wise decision in financial matters. You can attend a social event with your family. Be cautious about your health and take special care of your diet. Pisces, this day will be auspicious for you. You will get success in the workplace and get new opportunities. You will get a chance to spend time with family members. The financial situation will be strong. Health will be good, but include regular exercise in your daily routine. Disclaimer: this information has been collected from the internet. Our channel does not claim its 100% authenticity. If you like this horoscope, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring you new and useful information every day. Thank you and have a good day.